Hey everyone, welcome back to the Craft Sanctuary. In today's video, we're taking these old, tired chairs and giving them a brand new look. From fresh paint to reupholstery, I'll show you how to transform these pieces into something stylish and functional for your home. First, you need to remove the middle part of the chair and attach the new pieces of wood to it. Now it's time to add some color. Sanding the surface thoroughly before applying paint. Add thinner to the paint and mix well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this with friends who love craft projects, and subscribe for inspiring content delivered right to you. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey.